Hello students, in our previous class we have learned how to plot a graph. In this class we will solve exercise 4.3. Now see, before starting exercise 4.3 what you have to do is that just try to solve the NCERT questions which is given in page number 71. And what you have to do, you try to solve all the solved examples. Is that okay? And after doing that only you will be able to solve all the questions. Page number 71, 72 and 73. All the examples of that type is given. Now let us start exercise 4.3. In that our first question is draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. And our equation is x plus y is equals to 4. Now see, for drawing x plus y is equals to 4, what we have to do is that I told you what we will do. First we arrange our equation. What we have to do? First we will arrange our equation x plus y is equals to 4. So this x plus y is equals to 4 you can write in any way. Y is equals to 4 minus x. Can we write in that way? Okay, so if we will write y is equals to 4 minus x. So I told you after that what we have to do? We will draw a table. Okay, and we will substitute the value of x and y. So first, I told you if you will have confusion, then put a rough over here. Okay, but this one is easy. Directly you can calculate after substituting the value what we will get. So if you put the value of x is equals to 0, what will be our value of y? 4. If you will put the value of x is equals to 4, what you will get? 0. Some other value also you can take. If you will take the value of x is equals to 2, what will you get? Y is equals to 2. So just you try to take nearly 3 or 4 points. Why? Because I told you for the confirmation of our answer. Here we have taken 2 points. So let us plot the graph. So let us see, we draw horizontal axis and vertical axis. After that all the points will be given 1 2 3 4 5 in that part 1 2 3 4 5, then negative part minus 1 minus 2 like that. Now let's start plotting the point. So x-axis 0, what is our value? 4, and if we will take 4, next value is 0. If we will take 3, then our other value will be 4 minus 3, 1, like this, and we plot a graph in that way. And one more thing I told you, what? You write the expression. So what is our expression here? X plus y is equals to 4. Is that okay? It is not very tough. You can say it is very easy. Is that okay? So in that way, you try to plot the graph. Is that okay? Now see, in the question number 1, second part, third part and fourth part, this you have to do and try to do at home. Use graph paper. If you don't have graph paper, even though no problem, you take a plain paper and there you draw the graph by yourself and try to solve question number 2, 3 and 4. Is that okay? Now see, our second question is, give the equations of two lines passing through what? 2 and 14. In this, we have to write what? Equation. Here x and y part is given. So here our question is, how many more such lines are there and why? Let us arrange. You can use any expression. Okay, satisfy the equation. Suppose if you will put x and y, we will take 7x minus y is equals to 0 and x minus y plus 12 is equals to 0. Okay, so in that way you can write as many as equations you can write. And if you will put the value, suppose if we have taken the expression 7x minus y is equals to 0, 7 to the 14, 14 minus 14 is equals to 0. This satisfy our equation. X minus y plus 12 is equals to 0. 2 minus 14 plus 12. 12 or 2, 14, 14 minus 14 is equals to 0. So in that way, you can write so many equations as you want to write. Is that okay? Now see, our next question is, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equals to ax plus 7, find the value of a. It's very easy. You'll see, we have solved the question of different type, and here we have to find the value of a. No problem, because we have already given the value of x and y, 3 and 4. So what is our problem? We have to write 3y is equals to ax plus 7. This is our question. So the value of y is how much? 4, and value of x is how much? 3. Just we will put and we will get the value. Is that okay? I don't think you will have any confusion. 3y is equals to ax plus 7. We will put the value of x and y, and we will be able to get the value of what? A, 3 4 are 12 is equals to 3a plus 7. Is that okay? So 12 is equals to 3a plus 7. So a will be equals to what? 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is equals to 3a. So 5 is equals to 3a. So a is equals to what? 5 by 3. Do you find it any difficulty? Please try to solve this question twice so that you will be able to remember. Now see, our next question is, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8. Just you think. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the taxi fare is how much? 8. And for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. And for the subsequent distance, they are taking 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x and total fare as rupees y, write a linear equation. We have to write the linear equation. So you people think and tell me how we will solve this question. Nothing is there. It is already given. We have to take distance covered as x, and fare for first kilometer was how much? 8. And fare for the rest of the distance, fare for the rest per kilometer, it is given. So can we write rupees x minus 1 into 5? Because per kilometer is given there. So total fare will be how much? Rupees 8 plus x minus 1 into 5 y. So just you solve this. It will be how much? 8 plus 5x minus 5y. This becomes what? 5x plus 3, and we can write the equation 5x minus y plus 3 is equals to 0. In that way, you can write a linear equation. Is there any problem? And it is not compulsory that you have to write in that way. You can take other method also. Is that okay? So use your sentence while solving any problem. Now see, question number 5. In this, what you have to do? Write a linear and draw its graph. So if, see, in the previous question, if we have to draw the graph, you know how to draw the graph. Now you substitute the value. 5x minus y plus 3 is equals to 0. You put the table and draw the graph. Is that okay? See, this one is little bit different question. So you try, because so many times I told you how to draw the graph. So in this question, please you try to draw the graph by yourself. And question number 5. Question number 5 is a complete homework for you. Question number 5 that you do as a homework. Because in that part, you have to choose the graph by seeing the graph. Is that okay? This much for this class. In the next class, we will solve question number 6 and 7. But from question number 1 to 5, if you will face any problem, please contact me. Okay? And wherever you face problem, just you are free to ask your problem. I am here to solve your problem. This much for this class. Have a good day.